I'm gonna do the challenge. The first 3 emojis, it what describes me at school. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. What describes me at home? 1, 2, 3. How about at the playground? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I want money. At my grandma's house. 1, 2, 3. What are these emojis going to make? Okay. Me when I'm in my introvert era. The low battery one is related. Me when I'm on the motorcycle. I'm a pig. Me when I'm sleepy. The low battery one is really relatable. Me when I'm with my baby cousin. I dance. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Subscribe to my other channel. The name it's Mariette. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!